The Kansas City Chiefs quarterback's fiancée and daughter paid him a visit, while he prepares for the 2021 NFL season. Go Dad! While football star Patrick Mahomes, 25, geared up for the NFL season to start in the fall, his fiancée Brittany Matthews, 25, and his 5-month-old daughter Sterling Skye dropped by the Kansas City Chiefs training camp to see the quarterback on Thursday, August 12. The whole family looked excited to spend some time together, even as Patrick ramps up to try to win another Super Bowl. In the cute family portrait, Patrick wore his training gear, which included a yellow practice jersey and bright red Nike pants. He also rocked a Chiefs visor. Sterling and Brittany showed support for Patrick's team. Brittany rocked a white t-shirt and red leopard print athletic shorts. She also accessorized with a pair of aviator shades. Sterling sported an adorable red bow and bright red Converse Chuck Taylors, as she wore a leopard print dress. Patrick posted the photo on his Instagram, and he seemed very excited for Sterling's first camp. Brittany also posted 2 of the family pictures to her Instagram stories and noted how happy Sterling looked in her dad's arms. "If you can't tell, Sterling was very excited to see her daddy," she wrote in one post. "Her face says it all," she said in another one. In fact, all 3 of them looked thrilled to get to spend time together at the camp. Related gallery. Patrick Mahomes, pics. Brittany and Sterling have shown plenty of support for Patrick, as he gears up for his first season as a dad. In July, the quarterback's daughter sported a t-shirt that announced that he was in Madden NFL 22's coveted 99 club. Brittany dressed their daughter and had Patrick take a look in the sweet video. "Dad is in the 99 club again. Nice," the Chiefs player said as he lifted his baby girl up. "Best surprise ever." During the off-season, it seems like the family had plenty of fun. Brittany posted plenty of sweet family photos, including when Patrick golfed in a celebrity tournament and when the whole family took a well-deserved vacation in Mexico. Hopefully there will be more adorable photos of the entire Mahomes family once the NFL season kicks off in September.